let's try to learn about grignard reagent. It is generally represented by this RMJX, right? And also it is highly reactive, so it can act as both like base, and it can also act like a nucleophile. All right, let's see when it acts like a base and when it acts like a nucleophile. So it depends on the condition and the substrate which it reacts with. Let's say, for example, if it encounters any acidic hydrogen, then acidic proton or acidic hydrogen, then it acts like a base and it obstructs that hydrogen. Let's say, for example, this Grignard reagent is reacting with water. Here we have this acidic proton, it will obstruct this hydrogen. And in case of alcohol also, ROH, this is acidic proton, right? And in case of like a terminal alkyne, HC triple bond CH, here this is also acidic proton. And all acid, right? RC double bond OH. Here, this is also a stick proton. This is how, these are the few examples that I have given. In these cases, this Grignard reagent act like a base and it will obstruct the acidic proton, alright? And yeah, it acts like a nucleophile when it encounters the electrophilic carbon. Let's say, for example, carbonyl compounds like ketones or aldehydes, acid chlorides also. And at the same time, this thing, what else? CO2, carbon dioxide. Here also, it will attack on this carbon. So whenever it encounters the electrophilic carbon, it acts like a nucleophile and it will attack on that particular one. Let me explain you here one example. Let's say, for example, we have this RC double bond OH. All right. So here it is aldehyde, right? And this RMGX here, it acts like a nucleophile and it will attack on this carbonyl carbon. All right, and the reaction you can just simply write it over here. I'm just telling you how it acts like a nucleophile and base. And here, let's take this RMGX. And here, in the presence of water, what it will do, it acts like a base and it will obstruct one of the hydrogen and it will form this. All right. And here, as a byproduct, we'll get MgOH next. So this is how it acts like a base, and at the same time, it acts like a nucleophile based on the conditions, like with which substrate it's reacting with. So that's what you need to take care of. All right, I hope you have understood this concept.